What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here's episode 2 and final episode of the kitchen remodel. This is kind of a sneak peek of what it turns out to be. So please subscribe and like this video. That'd be a huge help, and enjoy the video. So now we're gonna work on the island cabinets. So we have 2 of them laid down right there. We're gonna put those together. We just have screws right through the face of them, and then I put one down below. So 3, and then she's doing some in the back right now, basically. Kind of a interesting shape. We still have to install this pantry cabinet. We have this wall that we had to add in. This wall used to go the whole way across the kitchen. There's a double beam that goes across here, sits on that wall, and attaches to a singular joist that runs the span of the ceiling. And all the rest of these joists in this ceiling are attached into that double beam. So more or less, this entire ceiling, which there is a floor above here, was resting on the weight of this one singular joist once we took this wall down. You cannot see because I didn't start recording at the beginning of this job, so I apologize. You'll just have to believe me. On the side of the fridge is a panel, and we're gonna do just a custom little open shelf unit she wanted on the outside of that panel. All right, Dan right here's got the custom shelf that we were building here. That's where the shelves are. This will be the total back side of the shelving unit. Dan's putting these little crossbars here, and that's going to be just so she can put her plates. Would you remove this panel?
Not now.
Good luck. Let's glue it up. I don't want to jinx it, because watch, I'm going to have to tear it out or something. All right. And we just discovered a big issue because the house is so out of whack and crooked here. The crown molding doesn't fit. We have 4-inch crown. It literally does not fit. So whenever we put it up, it literally blocks all the doors. So we could obviously rip it through a table saw, but it would look really janky. Try and find that crown and piece that in. That should work. So we have scraps that we took out from the old wall. So we're just gonna match it with paint. That's what she wants to do instead of ordering something different. When you rip crown down, it doesn't look good. Bro, this is not the right piece. That's the right one. Okay. Dan, that is almost perfect, buddy. Can you let go for a second?
Yep.
Okay, it goes to you a lot. Okay, right there. Ooh, this is perfect, just like you and me. Angie. Perfection's your middle name. Perfection's just my person. Woo! She's gonna be happy about this!
I don't love that.
No, but it doesn't love you. So, these are these old ceilings here. See, you're not as cool as me, apparently. I have a wire hidden up there on that mark on the ceiling. Originally what I was gonna do was gonna put an old construction box up in there that just clips to the plaster and it would hold the weight easily for like a pendant. I just figured out that she has a very heavy pendant. Cassandra and I get to throw a grinder up to the ceiling to cut this plaster and patch all that. Oh baby! This wire's for this right here, so that's perfect. This is overkill. She could hang a freaking huge ceiling fan up there, but she won't. But at least we know we're good. So we have an issue here. We have to replace it because it's too thick to fit inside of this box. So that is the junction box right there. We're gonna pull it down and reconnect into that junction and now do it with copper instead of aluminum. Sick. I got it. That's what it should look like, these huge balls of rubber.
Vertical.
God, this is so annoying. Most of the entire job is done. We do have obviously some touch-ups and we're missing trim for certain parts of the cabinet. We are still missing the flooring for right behind me. I don't even know if you can see it, but the flooring for the transition on the other side of the island. So
Yeah, I'm fine.
1,
Way.
2, 3.
it looks really good. So I want you to come take a look at this. I definitely like that this is on now, because that odd shape. We've got our transition, dishwasher, sink, got the oven hooked up, flooring strip pieces missing here. If only the woodpeckers cry.
Done song.
You've never heard that song?
I don't know.
You've never seen Holes?
Like maybe once.
That's a shame. Well, then you're watching that. You're watching that this weekend. That's what you're watching.
I've seen it. It was on TV like 2 years ago. But like.
Well, just saying, you're missing out. If you like all the Star Wars movies, you're gonna love Holes. Very similar. Bye.